Remember the clock tower in Back to the Future? They plugged lightning straight into the time machine to go back in time. Cool idea, right? But decades after that movie, why can't we actually do this in real life? Lightning is raw power in a flash. We're talking tens of millions of volts and tens of thousands of amps pouring down. From the outside, it looks like a single zap. But in reality, it's more like a super fast strobe firing several times in a row. One strike carries hundreds of millions to billions of joules. That's tens to hundreds of kilowatt-hour of energy. Enough to start up hundreds of cars at once. But most of it just heats the air, then scatters as light and shock waves. So trying to capture lightning is like scooping up a waterfall with a teacup. Batteries, converters, and cables just can't handle that instant surge. So is it completely impossible? Not really. Humans have been experimenting with lightning for centuries. From Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment in 1752 that proved lightning is electricity, to modern trials with high-power lasers that create plasma channels to guide real lightning bolts. But all of that is about lightning protection, not about making usable electricity. There was even a phone charging demo once, but it wasn't real lightning, just a pulse mimicking one. In the real world, lightning is unpredictable in time and place. And even if you catch it, most of the energy is lost as heat and shock waves. On top of that, converting that tiny, violent pulse into low-voltage, steady electricity comes with massive losses, so it's just not economical. What about NASA? NASA tracks lightning with incredible precision using satellites and sensors. Space-based instruments like GLM and LIS constantly monitor lightning distribution and intensity, helping with climate studies, aviation safety, and even military risk management. Bottom line, in the movies, lightning is fuel. In our daily lives, it's not something we use, but something we observe and prepare for, at least for now. Someday, if you hear about a breakthrough technology that can safely store and convert that massive burst of electricity, that'll be the day we can finally charge up with lightning. Got more wild science questions you've always wondered about? What Up Science has the answers.